heard the buzzwords, LLMs, RAG, and agents, but what do they actually mean? Give me 2 minutes and I'll explain how generative AI really works in plain English. First, we have the LLM, or large language model. Think of it as a super smart brain that's read the entire internet. You ask it a question, it answers based on what it already knows. Next, RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's like telling the LLM, hey, answer my question using this specific book or document I'm giving you. It helps the AI stay factual and up to date. Then come agents. They're LLMs that can actually take actions, like searching Google, running code, or calling an API to get real answers. Now, if you give AI a big book to read, Similarity Search helps it figure out which pages are most relevant to your question. No need to read everything. To do that, AI turns every piece of text into numbers called vector embeddings. These numbers represent the meaning of the text, not just the words. Prompt engineering is all about asking questions the right way. The better you talk to the LLM, the better answers you'll get. The embedding model is what converts text into those meaning-based numbers we just talked about. Then comes the generation model, also known as the LLM. It's the actual brain that reads the question, thinks, and generates the answer. All those embeddings are stored in a vector database. This helps the AI quickly find similar or related information later. Next, we have pre-training, where the LLM learns language by predicting the next word in billions of sentences. That's how it builds its foundation. Finally, fine-tuning. We take that pre-trained model and train it again on high-quality, task-specific data, so it becomes smarter, safer, and more accurate. And that's how generative AI works, in simple words. If this helped you understand AI better, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI explainers, and drop a comment saying "More AI Made Simple."